In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where your phone number cannot be used by iMessage and Facetime on your iPhone running iOS 17, iOS 18 or later. It can be quite frustrating to encounter such an issue when you're trying to stay connected with family and friends. But don't worry, I'm here to help guide you through each step to resolve it. First, let's make sure everything is in order with your SIM and network. It might sound simple, but sometimes the smallest details can have the biggest impacts. Begin by checking that your SIM card is inserted correctly. Take a moment to ensure that the card is seated properly in its tray and that there's no dust or debris. Additionally, confirm that you have an active cellular plan, which includes SMS capabilities. Without these, iMessage and FaceTime might not function as intended. Next, let's try a little restart magic. Head to your iPhone settings, navigate over to the messages section, and then onto FaceTime. Toggle both of these features off, give it a good 5 to 10 seconds before turning them back on. This simple action can often clear temporary hiccups that prevent these services from working. Updating your iPhone can often resolve many issues, including this one. Go to Settings, then General, and tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, make sure to install it. Software updates often include vital compatibility improvements or bug fixes that might just solve the issue you're facing. Another factor to consider is your date and time settings. Go back into Settings, choose General and find Date and Time. You'll want to ensure that the Set Automatically option is enabled. This ensures your device is correctly synchronized with Apple's services, which is crucial for activation processes. If you've tried all the above steps and are still facing issues, resetting your network settings could be the key. Again, head into Settings, but this time navigate to General, then choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, tap Reset and finally select Reset Network Settings. This will erase existing network configurations on your device, but don't worry, it won't disturb any personal data. Though you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks, this step can often help iron out any connectivity related activation problems. With all of these strategies, you should be well on your way to getting iMessage and FaceTime back in action on your iPhone. I hope you found these steps easy to follow and that your issue is now resolved. Remember, staying updated and keeping your settings correctly configured is key to avoiding such frustrations in the future. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.